Namaste students, myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mathology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic karyotype and ideogram. Karyotype defined as a karyotype is the number and appearance of chromosomes in the nucleus of a eukaryotes. The term is also used for the complete set of chromosomes in a species or in an individual organism, and for a test that detect this complement or measures a number. Okay. Chirology and ideograms. Chirology, the study of whole set of chromosomes, is sometimes known as chirology. And ideogram or karyogram, the chromosomes are depicted in a standard format known as ideograms or karyograms. Explain. In pair ordered by size and position of centromere for chromosomes of the same size, derived from Greek word karyon, which means nucleus. Karyotype is represented as ideograms. Okay. When the haploid set of chromosomes of an organism are ordered in a series of decreasing size, it is said to be an ideograms. In other sense, diagrammatic representation of a karyotype is an ideogram. Human ideogram or human chromosomes, structure of human chromosomes, human ideograms, metacentric, submetacentric. These are types of chromosomes on the basis of centromere. Metacentric chromosomes in human ideograms are shown in red box. They are 9 in number. Submetacentric chromosomes in human ideogram are shown in blue box. They are 10 in number. And acrocentric chromosomes in human are shown in black color, and they are 5 in number. There are no telocentric chromosomes in humans. Ideogram of human chromosomes seen this box. Total number of chromosomes, green box, blue box, red box. Total number of chromosomes 23 pairs or 46. Information obtained from a karyotype: number of chromosomes, sex chromosome contents, presence or absence of individual chromosomes, nature and extent of large structural abnormalities. Advantage of karyotype: detection of chromosomal abnormalities. Second, genetic disorders. Next, gender classification or identification. Next, identify loss or addition of chromosomes. Next, pre-birth diagnosis of genetic disease. Identification of chromosomal number. in different organisms and identification of proper position of gene in chromosomes. This is advantage of karyotypes. And disadvantage of karyotypes, very small abnormalities cannot be shown by karyotyping technique only allow for diagnosis and not a cure. The test like amino synthesis and CBC are both risky and stressful for mothers. Time consuming processes and a minor mistake in a process will change all the results. This is disadvantage of karyotype. Thank you.